Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Check out these fun, colorful, fantastic socks from Gonii. These pop with vibrant colors whether you are running, cycling, or using them for a good walk. They really help me to boost my workout and my feet feel fresh every time that I'm wearing them. They're a really great fit and they stay in place. They provide great cushioning and they work with a variety of different types of shoes. I really love that they are so comfy to wear and I feel comfortable wearing them even all day just walking around doing errands. They also look as vibrant and feel as soft even after washing and drying them. The socks are a great fit. I am a size 8 and I find that they fit perfectly. They don't ride down into my shoes, but rather they stay in place anytime that I'm wearing them. If you're looking for socks that are fun and comfortable, then you really will find everything that you're looking for with this great set. I got the orange, the green, and the purple, and the colors are super vibrant and fun and great for all of my workouts. But that's just my point of view.